guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be making a part 2 to how to create your own YouTube channel. So, in this video, we will be briefly going over what we did in the first video, and I'll show you how to actually create your own channel. And I might make part 3 maybe. Actually, this might be the last video. Comment down below what do you think I should make next, and remember to hit that like and subscribe. So first we'll just watch this part 1 video, so yeah, in case you missed it. Okay, can everyone hear me? We're not watching that. Okay, so as you saw, that was just a short video on how to create that's like an intro. It just tells you a few stuff you can do. And so we're going to go click on this, go to my channel, and as you can see, if you click on your channel, usually this is what you'll see. And you can go to videos, this is what you see on other people's channels. I've joined 2 years ago, and I haven't really taken YouTube seriously, so we're going to go to customize channel, and this brings us to YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio lets you customize your channel, and it sees your analytics and other stuff. So we can see my analytics right now. So I like seeing them in this. And so yesterday I got 10 views apparently, and so day before yesterday, January 15th, I got 7 views, 14th 8 views. So yeah, as you can see, oh wow, for some reason December 28th I got a lot of views. But anyway, I posted this video on December 20th, and you can see all the views I got. So my top video is how to turn off Cosmo, which has, that's not right, it doesn't have 116 views, it has 2,000 views. So yeah, that's amazing. It has 2,000 views and 10.3 watch hours, and this video got me 2/3 of how many subscribers I have. If you're wondering how many subscribers I have 15. And it got me 10 subscribers. So, yeah, this is a very good video, apparently. It's just a 19-second video that shows me, you can see it.
this is how to off your Cosmo. So you take him out, and at the top there's a button. You hold it until that part goes white, and when it goes white, he's off.
Yep, he's off. Okay, so that got people watched it. I don't know what that means, but so yeah, oh my gosh, I'm still getting views to this day. Today, January 17th, I got 10 views. Like, I'm getting way too many views. Like, there's so many, I'm literally getting views every single day. That's a lot. I literally got a view almost every single day. That's just crazy. And 10 hours of watch time on this single video. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. And this is updating live. In the last 48 hours, I got, let's do last 60 minutes. Okay, no one's watched in the last 60 minutes. I got 18 views in the last 48 hours. So we're going to go back to my channel and not that video. So content, you can see all the content. Also, if you're wondering, you can make things public, unpublic, or unlist, or private, or other stuff. And you can put made for kids, so it goes on YouTube Kids and other stuff. So now we're talking about monetization. So I have 15 subscribers, and if I want to make money from YouTube, then I need 1,000 subscribers. So I'm not too close, and I need 4,000 hours, but I only have 5 public watch hours. So we'll go back to my dashboard, and this is my latest video, how to create your own YouTube channel part 1. We're doing part 2. So this video only got 20 views, so that's not so good. And yeah, so we're going to go to, so if you don't mind, I hope you can click that subscribe button. It's free. Like, there's literally, it doesn't cost money. It's nothing. All you do is just click a button. So I would really appreciate it if you did that. So comment down below what you think I should do next for videos, but I'll just give a brief walkthrough on how to sign into or how to, like, make your own YouTube channel. So what you'll do is get your account, you have a Gmail account, or wrong thing. So yeah, let's go back in YouTube, and we'll sign out of YouTube. So this is YouTube with no one signed in. So if you're a person that hasn't signed in, then you'll go and click the blue sign in button, click on your account, enter in your password, do all that stuff, and then boom. So now you have your channel, and we'll go to my channel, and you won't have these options. Like, it's not automatic you get a channel. You'll have to click on your channel or something, and it'll make you sign in and make a new account. And boom, you have to click all the options, and yeah, you have an account. So that's how to create an account. And then if you saw in the other video, you can always go back and then see all the stuff I said. You want to make sure you get something that people will search up, like how to turn off Cosmo. Apparently, not many people know how to turn off Cosmo. So I'm guessing they either immediately searched it up on YouTube or Google, or just left their Cosmo on. But okay, so comment down below what you think I should make videos next, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button. So see you in another video. Goodbye. Where's the stop recording? Oh, there it is. See ya.